Hi guys, Fist of Pain. I know it's been a while again. Real life catches up with you real quick. Anyways, it's been many years and I've never changed the cabin air filter in it. So this is what a filter looks like after 6 years. Looks pretty, doesn't it, compared to the new one? So, in all things considered, I didn't get any kind of like a mildewy smell or anything like that. Obviously you can see there's some dirt, built up inside all the fins there. And I assume, because that one's right from Ford, just so you can get a part number if you like, FP69, chuckle chuckle, haha. Anyways, if this one was supposed to be white, it's definitely done its job over the past, the car actually just hit 76,000 miles on it, and 6 years of driving, so that's not too shabby. So I was just figured I'd show you, little maintenance things, improve your quality of breathing, I guess, in the car. So, and that one, as you can see, it's not one of those ones that goes behind the glove box. I actually had the glove box out for a separate reason. I'm trying to diagnose why my washer pump isn't working. Wipers don't even acknowledge. So I'm whipping out the laptop up here so I can see if I'm getting any kind of contact out of the wiper switch. The wipers work completely normal. Otherwise, you turn them on. The back one pumps. So you get the rear washer squirts going on, but nothing on the front. And it's an inconvenience because then you get a little bit of shit that gets thrown up in the windshield. So it's kind of a bummer because you can't wipe it off. But that's just a separate thing. That's the reason why I had the glove box out. I was just checking the fuses because the fuses are right there behind it, and I was checking numbers 11 and number 15. So number 11 being this one here, number 15 being that one right there. Both of them are good. That's why I had that out. And I figured, I was like, well, man, I'm already this far into it, so let's see what it takes to get to the cabin air filter. Well, it's not right there, it's right there. So you needed to pop off these little guys. These are little T20s. You need that, and you need a little Phillips head screwdriver to remove the plastic push retainer piece here. That's just a quick little push tab that just gets pushed in there for the cover. The cover obviously just extends for the rest of the way, and then it's just like push tabbed in here. So you just take that little piece out there, you just take it nice and gently, and you just pry it, and then of course this whole giant piece comes out, and then you can get to the little screws here. Like I said, they're little T20s, and I ended up removing 5 of them if I'm not mistaken. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I was able to remove them actually with just this here. It's just a very small little T20 removal tool. One of them was a little bit of an angle, but since it gripped, it's not really torqued down super tight, I was able to remove it with just that. Otherwise, 4 of them are easily accessible with this. One of them is a little off, but it worked. So, and then of course, not a whole lot of room to pull it out, so you got to kind of scrunch it. It gets scrunched up quite a bit before it actually slides out. And install the new one, it's kind of the same thing. You kind of want to install the top first before the bottom, and that will get you a replaced cabin air filter. And I know, of course, this whole Corona time, people talking about, people are all worried about, breathing and wearing face masks and stuff like that. Well, I had bought this last year. It's been sitting in my car all winter long. Obviously, I don't drive the car during the winter time because it snows up here and they salt the roads, and I like to keep my baby rust free. So it's been sitting all winter long. I think I bought it like last June or July. It wasn't even expensive. It was like 20 bucks. So no, it's not related to the COVID thing, but since I was already there, I was like, man, let's go ahead and do it. So, but that's what's going on here. I figured, well, I'll get around to it eventually, and today is finally the day that I'll get it replaced, knowing that it's been replaced. And look at my filthy car. By the way, I installed some cool little taillights here I got from Whoosh Motorsports. They're very nice. I think they make the car look pretty slick. I don't mind the background. There's a lot of shit around the house, so I think they look pretty sexy. Give a little bit of pizzazz going on in the rear half. So you know, she is filthy. Look, you can see my handprint because I changed the oil, and then I don't know what the hell I was doing, but I put my hand down on it. So it's like that kind of filthy. So anyways, guys, if you like the video, like, subscribe, share it to all your Fiesta friends or regular Fiesta friends. But this is how you change the cabin air filter. Thanks for watching.